Rah Iaka Jingmyntoi Iaki Nongshong Shnong Kathan SHATEI la MIHNGI ka India Lyngba ki Kam Pynroi Bapher menta ka singi la pelong ya ka way na ka program kerpang balatep kum ka customization enhancement but deployment jong ka digital solution na benta ka jingpen ko buram Iaki Nongshong Shnong aki jilla SHATEI la MIHNGI ka India. Ya ka ni ka program la pelong ha College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CPGSAS CAU Umyam kaneka program kadeka project kabla mang Lyngba ka Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology MIHNGI Sarkar India ha kaneka project kidan ru lai tili kitna trekam bat layadan bentalang pan pentrekam ya ka project pakenthom ya ka Digital India Corporation DIC New Delhi Northeastern Space Applications Center NESAC Umyam but ko College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Science CPGSAS CAU Impal Umyam. Hakaning program na shimintalang ru na do Professor Gautam Bora, former director jangka IIIT Guwahati, u Mr. Manoj Kumar Jain, senior director MIHNGI, u Dr. KK Sharma, in charge director NESAC, u Dr. Mukul Sinha, director expert software, u Mr. Rahul Kumar Newal, scientist D. MIHNGI, u Mr. Vinay Bhatia, former senior director MIHNGI, Patka Dr. Hemlata, director IGNOU, Lyngba, ka jingdan kitay ki Rio Shampang, ha kani kasi letai sani halor shibon kilat kilinti badai ban penan kam Lyngba ki kor ki bor blatep kum kata ka digital technologies kabalong ka jingpan kop bor Iaki Nongshong Shnong ha ki jilla SHATEI la MIHNGI ka India kani kalong ru kum ka way ka boy tray kam bathamai man pen tray kam Lyngba kani ka project ba kentiu ha baro ka liang la kalong ha ka kamrap kamriang ka than jing than bat kum juru kiwe ki kam ki ba pen ko bor ba ki Nongshong Shnong ba than SHATEI la MIHNGI ka India kin la ban yeng hala ki jong ki kijat Lyngba ki project Bapher ba pen tray kam ha kani ka project Lyngba ka Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology MIHNGI.
Whereas in case of Northeast, always you have to keep one thing in the mind. If at all you are able to get pure air and pure water, even in this given situation, if at all you are supposed to get pure air and pure water, you keep in mind the first place goes to Meghalaya in Northeast. And second thing, I have to bring it to your notice, if at all you feel the hub of medicinal plants, the hub of Ayurveda, I am so proud to say, if at all you feel you have to find a hub of Ayurveda, in that way also first place goes to Northeast, particularly Meghalaya. That too particularly Meghalaya is being treated as a hub of Ayurveda, hub of medicinal plants. Shuraji, as you know, I am from Karnataka. We also used to grow turmeric in our area. That too particularly I am from Mysore. In our area, we used to grow turmeric. But whereas in case of our area, whatever turmeric we used to grow, the curcumin ratio, it is only 3.7, maximum 4.2. But whereas here in case of Meghalaya, I am proud to say the curcumin ratio of Meghalaya is 8.7 up to 8.9. Highest in the country. Not only turmeric, you take entire Northeast, either turmeric, ginger, that too particularly in Meghalaya, black rice, white rice, many of the other other products we can point out here. In that way, whatever decision you have taken today, if at all you are going to take it personally, you take it personally, particularly Northeast, that too particularly farming committee, they remain ever grateful to you people. We remain grateful to you for your work. Not only agriculture, in case of tourism, if at all you are supposed to say a hub of tourism, in that way also first prize goes to Meghalaya. First prize goes to Meghalaya. It is a hub of tourism. It is a hub of medicinal plants. It is a hub of Ayurveda. So in that way, you have to concentrate much. Here, particularly Northeast,